What's up, guys? Back at you again with an opening of Senpai Goddess Haven 5 NSZW-5. I've pulled the hits out per usual. We will not be going over SSRs, URs, or ZRs. If you wish to see those, please go watch my first unboxing videos. So without further ado, let us see what we got in our XRs. We got Joanne d'Arc. It's a nice one, very cute glasses. And Lancer, I don't know. The text kind of makes it a little hard to read. Nonetheless, nice XR cards, though we do have both of those. Let's see if we can get any new MRs. I currently need 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, Keking, number 6. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Alright. And our second one is Hu Tao. So we got a new MR. Not bad. We did get a new color card back here. If I had to guess, this is an SP, which should be more common than an SSP, such as this. So, let's see what we got. We got Formidable. Interesting border choice. Formidable. HMS Formidable. I like her hairstyle, it's pretty cool. Alright, on to the hit pack. My guess is either it's going to be one of the horizontal cards. I'm going to just use scissors because I always struggle otherwise. So, we do in fact... Oh, okay. Do we have one of these? No, it's not going to be one of those. Okay, so it's going to be a TCX like this one. Fingers crossed it is another one and not this exact one. Let's see. And it is a new one. Very nice. Hips don't lie, man. She's over here bringing us some dumplings. That's awesome. Got a lot of rarities with that Chun-Li bun kind of style. But that's cool, man. I like it. It's pretty. Good quality, or good condition as well. So, let you guys look at it for just a second longer. And as always, thanks for joining, and we will catch you in the next one.